February 2nd, 2022, leaving Casey's in Wyoming, Illinois, Stark County. Got a pretty good snow. Casey's entrance is not plowed. The lot looks like it got shoved around. Maybe it got plowed shut. You know, state doing their work. Don't know how much snow we got last night, and still coming. It's a pretty good one. State highways have been hit, but there's a mound of snow over there. Side streets here, not much. Some corners are pretty rough, even where they've been plowed. This one's plowed, so I'm going to take it. Get a little view of the town from this snowstorm. It's been plowed, but not for a little while now. Been a bit. I look good both ways. Don't quite stop if I don't have to. When this hasn't been plowed and there's 6-8 inches of snow on the road, just kind of roll slowly but keep rolling. This is not 4-wheel drive, but it does pretty good with a front wheel drive. Approaching downtown again on Williams, going east. There's a sheriff's police out checking things out, probably helping people. In this kind of weather, people end up needing help, especially if they leave town. Sorry the camera's blurry. I don't know why. I just wiped it down, and this phone does pretty well usually. Probably just a mix of the cold, the defrost, moisture in the air, and everything else. Yeah, I think it is the window, a lot of it. I'm not leaving town. Heading out that way, but I'm going to turn into Dollar General. Hopefully it's plowed. Otherwise, it's the last thing in town. I do kind of got to leave town to get turned around somewhere. But I'd like to hit up the Hillbilly Mall since I'm out and about before I go home. Get all their bread and milk so I can have a milk sandwich. There's a few cars in there.